Did you forget something? But that's okay. Don't worry, I'm here. I got you. I can help. Every holiday or special occasion, whether it is a birthday, anniversary, or Christmas, the act of gifting is commonly practiced. Yay! I've gotten so many cool presents on these special occasions, but let me tell you this, the part that I love most is when I get to sit down and read all of the cards that's come along with them. Whether it is the message from the card or the images that really resonate with how my friends or family portray me, it always fills my heart with so much warmth when I get to read how people positively feel about me. Tears of joy. So today, I'm gonna show you how to create your own personalized scrapbook and e-card to make your special someone's day. Let's get started. Step 1, get Bublup. Already have it? Cool. If you don't, check out the link below, sign up for a free account. Step 2, create a folder. So you're gonna go down either in your browser or your app and press on that blue plus button. Pizza wheel will pop up, create a folder right here, and title the card whatever you want it to be. And depending on how many sections you want in your card, create some subfolders. I'm gonna have 3. So folder 1 is gonna be filled with images of my best friend, and it'll depict how much I love her. So let's fill that folder up. And I will include a note that's a message to her. It could be a little message or it could be an essay. Folder 2 is going to be filled with images of the both of us and how much I adore our friendship. Folder 3 is going to be a few images and gifts that will tie the whole thing together. So step 4, roll it up into an e-card. So let's go back down to our blue button. And then you're going to find the roll button right there. You can create your instant web page. Okay, once you create your instant web page, you can go into your roll and edit and customize your sections and the content in your roll. So let's actually start playing with some of the content here, okay? So I'm gonna locate a content or an image, tap on the 3-dot menu, and first I'm gonna mess with the tile layout. I'm gonna go with this one, apply. And then I'm gonna mess around with the image size right here, and I'll hit apply once I'm done. And then I will also set my key area. So the key area is the most important area to keep in view when a user is viewing your role as a whole. Okay, cool. And once I'm done customizing, I'm going to hit done editing and ship it when it's ready. And that's it. And I hope you got to make your special someone's day today and every day. If you're all about productivity, creativity, and organization, be sure you hit that like and subscribe button. My name is Nikki Pham, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!